Hello, this is Greg. In this video, we're going to look at custom fields in Silaxus. We'll see how they can benefit your project management, and we'll show you how to use them. Your business has its own ways of working, especially when it comes to project management. Depending upon which sector you're in, there'll be different facets of the project that you'll want to manage. Silaxus has a number of ready-made fields for you to use, but it also allows you to create your own. They're called custom fields because they're customized by you. We can have a look at how this works in practice. I want to keep track of all the websites my graphic design company is working on. So, I'm going to set up my own series of custom fields and use these to track each of our website projects. First of all, I go to Settings, select Company, then click on Custom Fields. As you can see, there are different types of custom fields, such as textual, date, currency, numeric with and without a decimal, a pick list, and references to other fields. Choose the one that applies to the type of information you're dealing with. I'm going to choose a single select drop-down type. Then click Go. Now I can start to create the first custom field. I need to fill in the details in the box. I want to be able to know which types of websites are being designed, so I'll name the custom field Website Type. The formula key is a unique ID to be used in formulas. We'll look at it properly later, but for now, I'm calling it Web Type. In the Help box, I can write a short description to remind me what this custom field is, so I'll put Specify the type of website. Under Categories, I select Web Design, a category I've previously created. It's important to understand at this point that custom fields related to projects are always assigned to a particular category. This means that when you put similar projects under the same category, you'll keep the same custom fields across each one. So, in my case, every time I create a project in the websites category, it'll have the website type field attached to it. And I'm going to make the website type field mandatory by checking the required box. In the Options box, I write down each drop-down item I'll need. I'm putting different types of website here, such as WordPress, HTML, and blog. So, now I've successfully created a custom field which we can see in the Custom Field Form list. In this example, I've created a custom field for projects, but I could use the same method for tasks and workflow processes. The new custom field, Website Type, is available when anyone in the company creates or modifies a project within the web design category. As you can see, all my categories are listed in the drop-down. When I select a category, the page will refresh and display all the custom fields associated with it. All I have to do now is enter the rest of the details and submit my new project. So far, we've seen how to create a custom field, which I named Website Type. I assigned it to a category I'd previously created called Web Design. Now it's available for any project assigned to the Web Design category. Now we're going to look at custom formula fields. I want to be able to refer other fields or to derive the output using other fields, and we can use the Custom Formulas field to do this. Let's see how it works. I want to know how profitable each of the websites is that my company's developing. I can do this by creating a custom formula field. Once I've done this, the profitability of each website will be automatically calculated and the chance of human error is cut out. So now I'm going to create my custom formula field. I'll navigate to the custom fields list and create a new custom field. I select Formula, then Project from the drop-down, and click Go. This is where I need to fill out the details of my formula. I'll name the field Project Profitability and the formula key Prof. This is a unique ID which I can refer to if I want to use this field in another formula field. I'll put some help text in as a reminder, and I'll choose the Web Design category. Now I'm ready to create the formula. I can use functions, expressions, and operators in the formula. I can refer to other fields, and I can also perform conditional logic. You'll see I've referred the fields Project Bill Amount, that is project.billable time money, and project.cost in the formula. Anything I enclose within $ and curly brackets is treated as an expression and is evaluated. Anything outside the brackets is just copied to the output. I've successfully created a formula custom field. So now let's take a look at how this works in the project. The actual cost for this project is $750, and the billing amount is $1,250, which gives us a profit of 67%. So now we've seen how to create a custom formula field to calculate the profitability of a website project. I could create formula fields for many other scenarios, for tasks, and for workflow processes. We've been looking at how to create custom fields, and we've seen how they can benefit your project management. Custom fields can do even more. You can use them to filter, sort, and group. They're available as individual columns, and you can create graphical charts such as pie, bar, and bubble charts based on your custom fields. Using custom fields and formula fields brings a whole new raft of benefits to your project management. You get complete control over the information that's recorded and displayed, and a simple and insightful overview of your project's needs.